Today we will learn English about mm, maintenance or check our car. Yeah, uh, yeah. We know we often take a long trip in USA. Uh, in order to have safe trip, it's very important to check our car's condition before driver. Based on experience, here are some important things we should check. First, we should check the tires. The tire pressure is very important and it's often around 3 point. We should also check if any tires is flat or damaged. We should replace it. Second, we should check the engine oil, brake fluid, and transmission oil. These fluids are very important for the car, just like bladder it's very important for human body. If the oil level is too low or dirty, it should be changed. Third, we should change the air filters. A cleaning air filter help engine work better and save fuel. First, we should check the wiper blade. Good wiper blade help eyes see clearly when it is raining or snowing. By check these parts is very important before a long trip.